Living in smaller spaces is becoming increasingly common in our big cities, as they often offer a cheaper and more sustainable option than larger homes. My name's Daniel Titchener and I'm an architect and photographer living in London, and this is my 300 square foot minimalist apartment. I live here with my wife Nisha, and the challenge of sharing such a small space is fitting in all of our possessions while still enjoying all of the luxuries of a bigger space. There are a few things we did in order to make this work. In the living area, the table we chose uses a hinge system that adjusts between coffee table and dining table height. Once raised, the table can be pulled apart and extended using a hidden panel, allowing us to comfortably seat up to 6 people. Our console then doubles as both storage and individual seating using cushions that we store underneath our sofa. Instead of choosing to have a bulky TV, we use a wall-mounted projector that's pointed towards our living room window. I can then pull down our white roller blind, which gives us a large empty white surface to project onto. I paired this with a high-quality soundbar to complete our cinema experience. For my work area, I've mounted my desk on folding hinges so they can be folded up or away as needed. This works because I use a wireless mouse and keyboard, and my monitor is attached to the wall using an adjustable arm. This frees up valuable desk space and gives me the most comfortable viewing angle. The kitchen and bathroom are in a sorry state. Because they're dated and frequently used, it's easy to neglect these spaces, but we find that keeping them clean and clutter-free makes a huge difference. This temporarily puts off any itch to remodel, saving us both time and money, and saving the planet another small heap of construction waste. Our bedroom barely has enough size for a bed, let alone any storage for all of our clothes, gear and shoes. To get around this, the bed frame is made of 2 dressers with custom-built framing in the cavity behind. The dressers comfortably store most of our clothing and gear, and the cavity serves as a space to store our bulky and frequently used items, such as suitcases and tools. On the wall we've added a picture ledge, mirror and hooks to serve as a dressing area and somewhere to drop our everyday carry. This maximises the use of the space at the foot of the bed and keeps the closet easily accessible. Without all of these small tricks, we'd never be able to live in such a small space, and we'd be forced to live in a bigger, more expensive apartment. But we find that living in a smaller space with less stuff allows us to save time and money, which allows us to live a little more happily and sustainably in the process. If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe to my channel, and get in touch by leaving a comment in the section below. Thanks for watching.